The arm moves beautifully smooth. I can get exactly what I want. Here's the NB ergonomic SmoothVex monitor arm. This is really easy. You're going to first put this on your desk. You're going to put that arm onto there, that arm onto that arm, and then you're going to put the plate, the VESA plate, onto your monitor and then attach it to the arm. It's pretty straightforward. You can use this little tool here to tighten the arms in certain areas to make sure that it won't move after you find the location you want it. Now, in my situation, what I wanted to do was pull the monitor further back because I originally had it on an HB stand like the other monitor there, and it was too far forward. What's nice, I can put it exactly where I want it. The arm moves beautifully smooth. I can get exactly what I want. You can tilt it forward, backwards. You can adjust it left, right. Here is the other view. There's the arm right there. This will fit monitors 17 inches to 32 inches. I've got a 27 inch. You can see me on the other monitor there. Again, one hand is a little bit harder. Now, where it just drifted down a little bit, I'm going to have to use this little tool here to tighten that up in the back. In this situation, you can see I can pull it really close towards my face when I'm not filming. And then when I want to get a wider background behind me, I can push it back. So if you're looking for a way to get your desk a little bit more clean, give you a little bit more room, and give you the ability to adjust your screen, whether it's for gaming, editing, for streaming, check out the NB SmoothVex monitor mount.